So now, hello everyone. Mr. Chawla has joined us. So thank you so much, sir, first of all, for being here. So how's your overall experience with National Education Summit?
It is very good, and I found that this type of education is very much required for the children, and they need a guidance for this thing, education. So I think so this platform will help them out to reach out to the right persons and for their education future.
Right, absolutely. And one more question, according to you, what's the definition of quality education in 2025?
Definition of quality education is like to, if I want to make a career about something, I should know where should I go and what is the right approach to reach that goal. If we are not able to reach over there, what is the use of education then? So there are people in the market who take the education on a very lightly note, but I think so education in the future world is very much required as AI is taking part of this, and these are the very innovative state which can be helping out with the future growth of our children.
Mr. Chawla, as you mentioned that AI is shaping the future of education in India. So what do you think कैसा होगा हमारा ये future when AI jumps into the sector?
Well, that is the imagination. It is really imagination. If you see, like there are many movies which has came into this AI fictions, which has shown that how the future will be, and definitely as per the AI comings and e-cars and everything is coming, I think so it's time to change the revolution over here right now.
So my last question to you is, what should be those two changes that are really mandatory in education system of India?
Well, I think so now AI is the very biggest part of education right now, and as we are seeing education are changing in the AI field right now. Even CBSE, ICSE both are trying their best to involve themselves into AI right now, and that will help out to our futures of the children.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. Thank you so much.